Hi everyone, I am Deepa Thakur. Welcome back again in C programming language. In today's session, we are going to discuss about some programming errors and their types, which are syntax error, runtime error, and logical error. What is error? Unaccepted output is called error. Like if you want to perform different operation with the help of different software, all the programs, and due to some reason we get unaccepted result, then those unaccepted result will be called error. For example, if we performing addition of two number like 8 plus 9 equals to 17, but due to some reason we get 18, 14, 15 or the value other than 17. This is unaccepted result, and those type of unaccepted result will be called error. For the successful execution of the program, it is necessary to remove all types of error. To increase the ability of the programmer, we debug the program. So debug means it is the process of finding and removing error for the program is called debugging. There are three types of error which can be seen on screen. The first one is syntax error, the other one is runtime error, and the third one is logical error. Now let's see. First, what is the ability of this error? Second, how we detect the error, and third one is how we find out and remove the error. First, syntax error. It occurs due to the violation of one or more grammar rule. Violation means syntax. Syntax, rules of a program to write a program. Compiler detect syntax error at the time of compilation. Compiler act as a translator where source code convert to object code. These errors are easy to locate and remove because compilers specify the location and types of error. The programmer having syntax error cannot be compiled or translated. Example, writing header file name, it is studio.h. Mainly programmer write studio. So when you begin to learn C program, you mistake stdio to studio.h. If you write this and compile the code, screen will display no such file or directory. Instead of studio, stdio, again compile, you have to write stdio. It is correct form. If you compiled it, show error or warning is 0. So this is the first error, a misspelled keyword. A misspelled keyword means function and keyword which we are using must be spelled correctly, otherwise it occurs error. Second, missing statement terminator. If we talk about the C programming, in that one rule is there. At the end of each statement, terminator must use there. This terminator is semicolon. This semicolon, so you know about each statement, we use semicolon. If you forgot this semicolon, compiler will show error like this. Compiler will show error at the compile time. Accepted semicolon before curly brace. So you have to put semicolon to remove the error. Put the semicolon and again compile it. At compile time there is no error. So basically compile time which error is shown, that errors are syntax error. Second, runtime error. This kind of error occurs due to performing an illegal operation. At the time of execution, it occurs. Illegal operation are those operations who don't have permission to runtime. If the program is translated, no syntax error. After that, linking process .exe file is generated, and during the execution, of the program if the user performs some illegal operation at the time of computer detect this error, runtime program is stopped and crash. Example, like mathematics, a number divided by 0 is illegal operation because in output infinite value is printed. Second, accessing memory that is not available. That kind of execution is also a runtime error. Let's execute the program and see how runtime error occurs. So now in this example, I compiled the program. In compile time, there is no error, no warning. So there is no syntax error. After that, linking process.exe file is generated during the execution of the program. If the user performs some illegal operation here means if in mathematical, if anything is divided by 0, here 0 is incremented. 0, if anything which is related to 0 increases, division or anything, it's go to the infinite value. Here if we run the program, infinite value is printed, so it's a runtime error. In this program, while statement is used. In my upcoming tutorial, I will explain you what is while loop. In that tutorial, I will explain you detailedly what is while loop. Now just concentrate how runtime error occur when the program compiled, no compiler error. So there is no syntax error. After that, linking process is executed, .exe file is generated. In that, when we run the program and runtime, some error is occur, infinite error is occur. At that time, memory not store that infinite value. This is a runtime error. So now let's see third, logical error. Third, logical error. It occurs due to following a faulty algorithm. Here algorithm means step-by-step process which we are following. In that step-by-step process, if anything get wrong, that is logical error. Programmer find this error by checking the whole program statement by statement. Comparatively difficult to detect this error because there is no compiler error and runtime error. Logical errors are those errors which in our program some logic go wrong. At that time logical error occur. Runtime program does not stop or crash, but the wrong output is generated. So it is difficult to detect. Let's see example. In this example, putting double quote in end of scanf statement instead of before comma, and save the program and compile the program. There is no error in compile time and then there is no error in runtime. As we see, if we run the program, the value is printed, two values printed. In that the sum is wrong. It is not a syntax error, it is not a runtime error. It is a logical error. The run the code, if we ask two number, you see the output is a garbage. Sum is 1 instead of 3. When you double quote in the end of statement, then it is converted into logical error. So you can correct the statement. You put double quote before comma. Double quote before comma. Again save the program, compile the program and run the program. So in output, again we print the value. Here is -1 because we are taking minus operation. If plus, compile it, again run the program, 3 is printed. Modi must be end with double quote. Here variable that cannot be enclosed with double quote. It enclosed by double quote, it shows some logical error. Second, if you performing any operation, here addition is performed, but instead of plus we use minus sign, and by mistake compile the program, run the program. At runtime it show run the program. At runtime 1 second number 2. The sum is -1 because here we use minus sign and 1 minus 2 is -2, but we want the addition of two number, but here we perform minus, and this type of logical error which we are doing, the logical error, that is a runtime error. Again compile the program, run the program, see the output equals to 3. So if anything go wrong in logic, at that time logical error occur. No compile time and row runtime error occur in logical error. So these are the error which occur during a runtime. If you have any queries, question, please write below in the comment section. I will answer them. If you like the video, click on like button. For other topics, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good day.